So, a new car will be coming, and I would love to hear your guys' suggestions. So if you could, just drop a comment and give me an idea of what I should either A, go test drive, and get a feel, a car that you have that you love that isn't a Scirocco. Yeah, just no idea is a bad idea, I guess. Unless someone says a smart car, then you're getting banned. Yeah, so the car's looking a little bit stock, and as you've probably guessed by the title there, there's a pretty good reason it's back to stock. It's up for sale. Actually, that's a lie, it's now sold. Today is currently Wednesday the something of February, and I put it up for sale on Monday. So, happened pretty quick, but I'm not too upset about it. I'll get into it more in a bit in this video, but I thought it'd be nice, as the new owner is coming to collect it tomorrow, I thought it'd be nice to do kind of a final drive in it tonight. So we're just gonna go for a bit of a cruise, have a bit of fun, and enjoy it for its last time, I guess. So yeah, there'll be a bit of I'll try to switch up the angles a bit to keep it entertaining. Some POV, some sort of light on commentary like this, probably some bits with the lights off. Yeah, I don't really have a plan, but we'll start driving and see what happens. Sliding, there's a bunch of stuff in my boot still. Oh mate, your lights are bright. Something rattling in my glove box and I don't know what it is. Right, well, we're not speeding at the moment. Not that we were speeding. But yeah, so a new car will be coming. And I would love to hear your guys' suggestions. So if you could, just drop a comment and give me an idea of what I should either A, go test drive and get a feel, a car that you have that you love that isn't a Scirocco. Yeah, just no idea is a bad idea, I guess. Unless someone says a smart car, then you're getting banned, because I'm not getting a smart car. I'm not doing it. So, I've had a lot of questions since I posted on Instagram that I was selling my car, of people asking me why I'm selling my car. There's no real reason, there's nothing wrong with it. I kind of touched on it slightly earlier, saying that I want to do more track days, and without a fair bit of work, this car is not really set up for a track. it can hold its own on a track, don't get me wrong. If you watch some of my other videos, I've been out to Germany, I've done tracks out there, and it's been relatively okay. But I want to do more, and if I'm doing more track days, there's going to be more stress on internal components and more money that's needed. I'd rather kind of start afresh, get my money back that I spent on this, or as much as I can, and, you know, start afresh and just, yeah, kind of go from there. That is not set in stone. I'm not saying that I'm going to run out and buy a track car, but at some point in the future, I do want to be doing more track days, so I've either got to buy a car dedicated for track, or accept that whatever car I buy next, I'm going to have to spend some money on getting it ready, and, you know, kind of paying for track days and the components like brakes and pads are going to wear more, and just get used to that, really. But yeah, we'll see what I get next. There is so little grip in these tyres compared to the other ones I've been running. Alright mate, I'm just gonna squeeze in here, thank you. Coming to the end of the video now, and I appreciate that it probably hasn't been the most exciting video. It's not like a video that I've spent a lot of time on, but I thought it'd be nice to kind of have a final drive in it together, say goodbye, and yeah, hopefully. Well, the storage on the 360 camera is full, so it's just the GoPro. Yeah, I thought it'd be nice to go for a drive and kind of bring you guys along. It's nice. I do have some things lined up. Like I said, there'll be more videos. I'm moving very soon. We're just taking up some time. Once I've moved, I'll probably be a bit more dedicated to it, to editing videos. So yeah, if you're not, make sure you subscribe. There is some cool stuff coming. There's a good video that I'm spending some time on at the moment, which is kind of mod list kind of video for Scirocco. Some, like, give you guys some inspiration, some things I've done that I wouldn't do again, some things that I wish I had done and done differently. That one will definitely be worth the watch, so make sure, if you haven't got a Scirocco, you subscribe for that. If you have got a Scirocco, watch it anyway. Yeah, don't really have a lot to say, guys. I'm just kind of enjoyed the drive a bit, and yeah, I need to go make me some dinner now. But yeah, I wonder how many times I say "but yeah" in a video. Yeah, hi, just a quick one from me. The GoPro obviously died as well. So I just want to say, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. Do drop a comment of suggestions for my next car. Like, subscribe. I have a bunch more videos that have been filmed and require editing, which I'm working on, so more stuff will be coming more regularly. But for now, yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and drop car suggestions, I guess. Cool. Bye.